Hi, today I'm doing my group plays, and I have $50. I have a bunch of ones and 3 fives. And I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. And I'm gonna finish up, hopefully, a whole bunch of challenges. This one's from Ellie on Earth, and we're gonna finish it. And we'll just start at the top. 3, 5, so 8, and 11. So $11. So 5, 10, 11. And I got her new group play also, which I'll start next week. So in Allie's, I saved 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And let's see. This is her new group play for July. And I'll start that next week. Thank you, Ellie. And next up is from Grammy's Journey. I think Grammy's Budgeting Journey and more. And we're just rolling the die. So 1 and 2. So $3. 1, 2, 3. And with hers, I already cash condensed this one. Well, all of them. 21, 22, 23. Thank you, Gracie. And I'll go look and see if you have a new group play for July. Or maybe I downloaded it. I don't remember. And then next is from Angela Marie 888. Hello June group play. And I'm just gonna roll the 3-sided die. 2, 2, 1, and 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And with hers, I saved, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Thank you, Angela. And next is from MS Mom Budgets. It's her June group play, and I'm just going to roll a 3-sided. 1. And with hers, let's see, I saved 15, 16. Thank you, Jasmine. And then onto it's mine and Sunshine Chaos Budgeting's collab. And this one's mine. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 and 2, so 5. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with mine, I saved 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And I'm gonna be doing a July group play. I'll try to get done this weekend and get it up. And then with Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting, And this was to celebrate my birthday is July 8th, and I wanted to save money for my birthday. So that's why it's birthday themed. And she got to her 1K, so congratulations, Sunshine, or Midge. And now she needs her watch hours. And so 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. I didn't want to put it in that pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one's a 2. So 1, 2. So with hers, I saved 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. And I don't think I'm going to have enough for the games, so I'm going to probably just close those out. And I'll do S&C budget creations. And we'll just do 1, 3, which is all I have left. $3. And we're still working this one. And let me count the money from the games. And we'll put the money in here. And then next week I'll start a whole bunch of new ones. New group plays. And so far we have Ellie. Oh, and I have from MS Mom Budget's membership. I got mine. I need to send her mine to her. And we have fireworks, flowers, and a unicorn. I'm gonna do the fireworks. And we'll put this one here. Well, I like to put the other ones back here. And then I'll find some more group plays for next week. And then, let me see how much I saved. Oh, let me get the games. This one was my Father's Day, and I saved $20. I'm just going to close it out. And this one was from Sunshine, and I didn't have enough to do it today. But I saved 25, 26, 27, 28 with her game. So let me see how much I saved total. I'm doing my sinking funds differently. I opened a Capital One 360 accounts, and I'm going to be putting my sinking funds in those. Like with them, it's a high yield interest savings challenge or savings account, but like they're different from Ally. Like with them, you have to open a whole bunch of different accounts. I know with Ally you can just open buckets, so I had to open a couple different accounts, but it's working out so far. And so I'm just gonna do electronic sinking funds. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 55, 156, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200 for the month of June. That's pretty good for my income because I'm on Social Security and I haven't been, that's pretty much has been the only income. I got the YouTube check, I think it was in May. Yeah, it was in May. So this is all just from Social Security. So that I've saved. So 200 for June, and I'm gonna be depositing this into I have to my bank, and then I have to transfer it over to Capital One, and then I'm gonna put it into my sinking funds, and then I'm gonna probably save 100 for my birthday. But and then I need to get to my other videos, and then Monday, I'm gonna try to send out the memberships. I'm kind of late, sorry, but I'll get those out Monday or Tuesday, and then I'm gonna work on my other videos. But I'll see you in the next one. Hope you guys are having a great day.